Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Today we have another Jeep which has come for a restoration, and our proud customer Siddharth is the owner of this vehicle, and this vehicle is the complete restoration. This is a MM540 with a DI engine and front disc brakes in it, which has already been installed while purchasing the vehicle. So right now the work is going to start, and we are going to call this project as ProjectX, and this vehicle is getting restored at Jeep Zone Bangalore. So this is the vehicle which we are going to remove all the parts at the moment, do the tinkering painting work, and the final finish would be coming as a Thar kind of look with a Innova seats with a black soft top, and this is the work which each and every part has been removed at the moment. And we are going to install a bigger tires like JK tires, 31-inch with off-roading rims, and the vehicle is going to come up with a power steering, off-roading bumper, Angry Bird grille, and the color would be a black matte or a black color, metallic black. So please like and subscribe our channel, and stay tuned and watch more and more videos going to come up from our channel. Stay tuned for more and more videos going to come from our channel. The restoration project X has been started at Jeep Zone. So please like and subscribe our channel. We'll be providing you more and more updates on this Jeep, which is going to be converted like a Thar. Soon it will be updated, and please like and subscribe our channel. Thank you and have a great day.